Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so the update runs smoothly. Make sure the battery is 50% or higher, or connect the charger. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because updates can be large and cellular data may incur charges. Now back up critical data, photos, contacts, and settings to the cloud or to a computer. This protects against rare failures. Finally, unlock the phone and open Settings to begin the update process. You now move into the core, checking and downloading the update. Go to Settings, then About Phone, and choose Software Update. This is where Oppo lists available packages. Tap Check for updates and read the changelog so you know what changes to expect, like security patches or UI tweaks. If an update appears, download it over Wi-Fi to save data. The phone will verify the file once downloaded. Let it finish verifying before you tap Install, so the process remains safe and reliable. You complete the process by installing and verifying system stability. Tap Install and allow the phone to reboot. It will apply the update during startup. Do not power off or remove the battery. Once booted, follow any setup prompts, sign in if requested, and open key apps to ensure they function. Make sure to check Settings About Phone to confirm the new version. If something goes wrong, first clear system cache, then restore from your backup. Contact Oppo support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.